Novi Stjenik Monastery is located in one of the largest wildernesses in Europe, known for having the largest wolf population. It is also home to wild boars and foxes. Our sisterhood tries to live independently. Our cows and chickens provide our only source of dairy products. In such conditions, our dogs play an important role of protection. We have 4 Central Asian Shepherds, one of the most ancient known breeds of dog, which developed through natural selection in the vast, harsh regions between the Urals, Caspian Sea, Asia Minor, and northwest border of China. For millennia they have served as guard dogs for people and livestock. They are known for being fearless in the face of threats, both human and animal, as well as for their stamina and endurance in extreme conditions, both hot and cold. Our dogs protect us and our livestock, making it safe for us to live where we do. As the indigenous people who use them for guard dogs in Central Asia to this day, we keep a pack of dogs who work as a team to protect the monastery. Every member of the pack has their own personality and talents. As a group, they are all gentle but fearless when necessary. It is a blessing to have such devoted and brave friends and guardians.